The CICE program is a 4-semester certificate program that provides students with intellectual disabilities and other significant learning challenges with a modified college-level curriculum. The program provides the opportunity to experience college life through the enhancement of academic, employability, and social skills. Students in the CICE program are full-time adult learners in a college environment, and they receive all the rights and privileges of a Niagara College student.
We really want to give them hands-on activities connected to the real world. That's very important to us because they come in looking to gain experience with their social skills, with gaining relationships, but then also to get a job. And we recognize that there are a lot of components to that. So we have to provide quite a few different opportunities for them to talk about these different scenarios, but then we actually have to provide hands-on activities, role plays to have them actually practice these skills so that they can gain the confidence to then apply them both in their personal lives outside of the classroom, but then at their field placements in level 2, 3, and 4.
Learning facilitators are in the classroom and can be used as much or as little as that will benefit the students in the classroom. So that could mean providing some direction for instructions. It could be helping students with assistive technology. It could be just providing some reassurance. CICE students have the opportunity to take elective courses in our program. This is exciting for a lot of our students because they get to explore all the different areas in the college that they may have some interest in. Photography, creative writing, horticulture, business, hospitality. College life is really essential. Getting introduced to all the spaces in the college, our campus pub, our recreation facilities, and just being able to make friends and have a full life.
As a learning facilitator, one of the most important things is actually to build a rapport and kind of get to know students. Weekly, we meet with students for about 15 minutes and we slowly build a rapport and get to know them. We get to understand what their actual barriers are. So those things that we don't see in the classroom perhaps that are maybe limitations or barriers for them reaching their goals. And we can help them problem solve through those things.
Another exciting element of the CICE program is the opportunity for students to do field placement. Students will complete a total of 3 field placements throughout their time with us at Niagara College. They will begin field placement in semester 2, 3, and 4. And the idea behind the field placement is to build essential transferable skills which they'll apply later on in their careers. Essentially, it is employment and we treat it as such. Students are expected to show up early, just like any other job, contact their supervisor, and do what needs to be done at the workplace. And at the end of the shift, they're expected to document their hours just like any other job. One of the greatest things about the CICE program is the opportunity to watch the students grow from the beginning to the end and seeing their employment journey and where they finish and how much they grow throughout their time in the CICE program. It's life-changing.
I love my meetings because I actually really get to know what the students are thinking. I take meeting notes and I love going back and reading what students were saying in level 1, and then in level 4 it's a completely different person, and I get to go to their graduation and see them graduate on stage, which is amazing.
And by the end of the program, we see students who were afraid to, even have a conversation with one of their peers come and volunteer with us at an open house and be able to speak about how much this program has helped shape them and get them to come out of their shell. And they're speaking with strangers that they've never met before, whereas on day 1 they were afraid to interact with the staff.
This is my dream job. I absolutely love it. I want them to live a life that they are really proud of who they are.